Everybody, welcome back again to your mathematics class, and today I'm going to talk about the last lesson from arithmetic sequence, which is a sum of terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, dear students, be careful how we can find the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence. We have two formula for finding of this theorem in arithmetic sequence. One is Sn is equal with n over 2 times n1 plus en, and the second is Sn is equal with n over 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d. By using this formula, we can find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, dear students, let's check some examples from this formula, how we can find. Example, given the arithmetic sequence with general term is an is equal with 3 times n plus 1, it says find the sum of the first three terms. According to this example, we can find by this formula, or we can show you without this formula also. As you remember, I have told you in the first video of arithmetic sequence, I have told you arithmetic sequence is like a function which is divided into natural numbers. For this reason, we will have the numbers from natural numbers for instead of n here. If I write the first term according to this, En is equal with 3 times n plus 1. If n is equal with number 1, on the time a1 is equal with 3 times 1 plus 1 is equal with 4. It means the first term, according to this general term of the sequence, is 4. And e2 is equal with 3 times 2 will be 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. And e3 is equal with 3 times 3 is equal with 9. 9 plus 1 will be number 10. It means the first term is equal with number 4, and second term is equal with number 7, and the third term is equal with number 10. According to the example which wants us find the sum of the first three terms, how we can find this one? We can use like S3. It means find it is the formula for finding the first three terms according to the given example. It means A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equal, A1 we have 4 plus 7 plus number 10. When we add these three terms with together, 10 plus 7 will be 17. 17 plus 4 will be 21. It means the summation of, or the sum of first three terms according to this general equation will be 21. For practical examples according to the sum of terms of an arithmetic sequence, example 2 says as find the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence where first term is equal with number 6. First term is given to us, it is clear. First term is number 6. And common difference is also given to us according to the example. Common difference, we show it with D is equal with 4. And the last term is also equal with 31. And An is equal with 34. To finding the sum of n terms, sum of the first n terms, we had a formula which I said before, and also to having the sum of the terms of the given arithmetic sequence, we must find first the number of terms. The number of terms is can be found by the formula which we have studied before. En is equal with a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Here, the common difference is also clear, and also the last term is also clear, and here we can find the number of terms. Here, En is equal with 34 is equal with A1 is also clear 6 plus n minus 1 times d is equal with 4. Here 34, when I bring this part, 34 is equal to 6 plus n times 4 is equal to 4 times n plus negative 1 times 4 is equal with negative 4. Here I can find the number of terms. 4 times n is equal 6 minus 4 is equal with number 2. Number 2, when I bring this part, that will be 32. When I divide by 4, both sides on the time, n will be number 8. Here, by using the formula of the sum of the terms of the sequence, on the time we can find the sum of the terms. That is Sn equal with n over 2 times a1 plus an. Here we will have the value of n is equal with 8 over 2 plus times a1 is equal with number 6 plus the last term also given 34 equal 8 is divided by 2 will be 4 times 6 plus 34 will be 14. And also 4 times 40 will be 160. This is what is n. The summation or the sum of n terms of arithmetic sequence in the given examples by details. Okay, let's take another example. Number 3. Find the number of terms of an arithmetic sequence where first term is equal with 7. First term is equal with 7. A1 is equal with number 7. And last term is also given to us. Last term an is equal with 49. And sum of the terms of the sequence is also 680. And Sn is given. Sn is equal 1680. Here what that wants number of terms of an arithmetic sequences. How we can find that number of sequence? Number of terms of sequence. Sorry. Here we had a formula for finding the sum of the first n terms. We use from that formula. Sn is equal with n over 2 times a1 plus an. According to this formula, we will find the number of terms of this sequence. Sn is equal to 1680 equal n over 2 times a1 is equal with the number 7 plus the last term is given to us 49. And here we can find 1680 equal n over 2. 7 plus 49 will be 56. When I divide 56 by 2, on the time I will have 28. 1680 is equal with 28 times n. And here when I divide by 28 both sides of the equation, on the time I will find the number of terms in the given sequences. 1680 over 28 is equal with 28 and divided by 28. Here 28 will be cancelled with the 28, and the time n will be equal. When I divide this by 7, 4 times 7 will be 28. 7, 4, 2 and 0. 1, 3, 28. Let me cancel this one. 40, 60, 6 times 60. And here we will have n times n is equal with 60. According the given details, this kind of arithmetic sequences, we could find the number of terms is equal with 60. And also, dear students, if you have any question, if you have any best suggestion, we are waiting for your best comments on our YouTube channel.